Hey guys, this cryptocurrency does it all, a little bit of everything. I'm gonna read to you what Michael Berry stated about the SVB's collapse. Big shot investor Michael Berry blames SVB's collapse on greed and recklessness and draws parallels with the dot-com and housing crash. Michael Berry compared the Silicon Valley Bank failure to the dot-com and housing crash. The big shot investor blamed the collapse of SVB on the greed and carelessness of its managers. Berry indicated that government bailout could lead to problems such as assets bubbles and inflation. Michael Berry has criticized the bosses of Silicon Valley Bank for their negligence and compare the failure to the dot-com and housing crashes. 2000, 2008, 2023, it's always the same, said the investor of the big shot fame that new deleted tweet on Sunday. Pride and greed take foolish risks and fail. I don't know why these guys be tweeting stuff and delete it. If you're not sure of what you are going to tweet, or you know it might take a bad backflash on your reputation, why tweeted it initially? Why don't you think about the consequences before you tweet it? This guy has done that before. Many times he tweets stuff and then he delete it. It's like that's just dumb and stupid to me. Whenever you think about something, it should be from your heart. This is what you mean. This is what you meant. Should not think about the consequences, whether it's positive or negative, because this is how you feel. So why tweet it and then delete it? It just doesn't make any sense to me. The head of the Science Asset Management also called on the Federal Reserve, the U.S. Treasury, and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp to swoop in and guarantee SVB depositors won't lose any money. He compared it to previous government interventions to have failing businesses and showed up the economy during previous crises. However, he indicated that bailout and excessive spending resulted in the consequences such as asset bubble and inflation. The money is then printed, treated Berry, because it works so well. Everything is print. SVB seems to have failed for some reason. It held large amounts of uninsured deposits and had a concentrated client based on cash-hungry ventures capital-backed companies. It also bought long-term bonds. Forgive me, guys. I'm going to have to stop. Jerry! Jay! I'm cooking while I'm doing this, guys. Hold on. Let me see if I can do this. I don't want the food to get burned. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't want the food to get burned. Yeah, sorry about that. See, when you have kids, you have to cook and clean while you're recording. So sorry. Hopefully I remember where I left off. Sorry. I don't know. This phone is getting a little annoying. Okay. Let's see. SVB seems to have failed for some reason. It held a large amount of uninsured deposit and had a concentrated client base of cash-hungry ventures capital-backed companies. It also bought long-term bonds, the price of which fell after the Fed raised interest rates from near 0 to 4.5 in a span of 1 year. The lender launched a share sales last week to raise finance parking fears it could collapse. Its share price immediately collapsed, and depositors rushed to withdraw their money, effectively causing a bank run. The FDIC took control of SVB on Friday, and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen announces on Sunday that depositors' money would be guaranteed. Well, that's good. Barry recently compared SVB to Enron, the energy trading giant that was busted for accounting fraud and went bankrupt in 2001. Bethany McLean, co-author of book about Enron titled The Smartest Guys in the Room, questioned that parallel. He notes that there is no indication of frauds at SVB. The Enron's collapse did not pose a systemic risk, and that authorities did not save the day in the case. Maybe the lesson is don't be Enron. He continued, if you are going to fall under the weight of your bad decisions, make sure you take enough others down with you, especially innocent others like employees who can't get their paychecks so that the government can step in hard to pick it up. Barry predicts that another large company will take off over time. Next, we found out Welcome, he said in a since deleted tweet on Saturday, referring to a telecoms titan that suffered its own accounting scandal and blew up in 2002. Patience, he said. You know what? That deleted crap, I don't like it. If you thought of it, you know what you're talking about. Why deleted something you tweet? Why? You've been a coward, you know? Barry has been sounding the alarm bells for financial markets in the U.S. economy for years. For example, he warned of the biggest speculative bubble ever in all things in the summer of 2021 and cautioned retail investors buying meme stocks and cryptocurrencies are signing up for the mother of all crashes was doing. The investor known for his dire prediction shot to fame in the mid-2000s after his billion-dollar bet against the housing bubble, which was immortalized in the book and movie The Big Shot was given. Anyhow, he has a point. He's been there. He knows what he's talking about. The only thing I don't like about this guy, he would tweet something and then delete it. It seems like he's being a chicken. He's being a coward. Tweet the stuff and then delete it. If you tweet it, you meant it. You stand behind it, period. Why delete it? It's a coward move. I don't like it. I don't understand why he does it. Let me know how you feel. Bye.